Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You sit, set the seat and mirrors, and confirm clear sight lines. Do this now so controls are reachable. Once positioned, fasten your belt and verify the parking brake is engaged. Press the brake pedal, place the transmission in P, then start the engine with the key or start button. Make sure warning lights extinguish and gauges settle. This tells you the car is ready. If a light stays on, do not move, recheck doors and fuel, then proceed once the dash is normal. You keep your right foot on the brake, press the shift release, and move into D for forward or R for reverse. This prevents accidental shifts. Once in gear, disengage the parking brake and slowly lift your foot off the brake to feel the car creep. This confirms drive engagement. Apply gentle throttle to begin rolling, matching power to road conditions. Make smooth steering inputs and check mirrors constantly. Planning your lane position early reduces corrective steering and improves safety. You approach your stop and brake progressively, keeping control while the automatic transmission manages shifts for you. When stopped, shift into P, set the parking brake, then turn off the engine. This secures the vehicle and avoids rollaway. If you experience delayed engagement or slipping when accelerating, pull over safely, shift to N, restart the engine, and try again. Should issues persist, check transmission fluid level and consult a mechanic. Do not drive long distances with slipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.